What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. We got a super exciting project coming up. We found an abandoned wrecked Ferrari 488 in a storage locker located in Orlando, Florida. So I just booked the ticket. We're gonna fly out there, check out the car in person. If everything checks out, the car is good, we're gonna buy it, ship it to California, and rebuild it. So super excited about this project. Also, if you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Now for this talk, and let's get to the airport. That's it, guys. We got our rental car. Good old Kia Optima, New York plates. So yeah, not too bad. We're on our way to go look at the Ferrari. If everything goes well, we should be able to buy it. I already got the cashier's check with me. So super excited. It's super early in the morning and I got 2.5 hour drive from Tampa, Florida to Orlando, and I'm meeting with the guy at the storage. That's where the car is located. So I'm gonna look. I got the battery yesterday and we're gonna try to start the car, and if the car starts and runs in drive, that's a bingo right there. We're buying it. So super excited. I'll take you guys with me on this little trip. Stay tuned. If you're new to this channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button because you don't want to miss any of this cool content that about to go down. And hopefully we'll rebuild that car as well. Should be exciting. Little pit stop, get some coffee for the road, more energy for you guys because the previous probably like, dude Vlad, you look dead. Well, I am dead. This whole time difference, 3 hours, kind of been killing me. I haven't been lately getting any sleep, so I need some coffee to get this day going and rocking and rolling. So let's grab some coffee and hit the road. Oh boy, that's it, guys. I got my morning fix. Oh, that's delicious. And let's hit the road. Back on the road we go. This breakfast egg sandwich so bomb, and I always get a sriracha pack at Starbucks. That's like major key, so gotta get sriracha pack and breakfast egg sandwich, and it's game over. Delicious. Like we're pulling up, should be somewhere in this neighborhood on the right side, and the storages. So rental of America storage. That's it. I'm here at this location. The owner should be arriving any minute, and the car is located in some storage facility. He's been storing it. And we'll see if the car checks out pretty good, it starts and runs, and we'll go ahead and buy it and arrange shipping company to come and grab it. So stay tuned and I'll show you guys exactly what the car looks like. Just arrived and here's the car. You guys want to take a look at it? Boom, look at this beauty. Damn, Daniel. Wow, beautiful car. Beautiful. Let's try to get this thing started, and if everything goes well, we're gonna buy it. I love it. That's it, guys. I replaced the battery, so this is the moment of truth. If we could get this car started, if the car starts, we're buying it 100%. So here's the old battery. The car's been sitting for 3 years, since 2017, hasn't been moved. But here's the interior. So I got the new battery installed, so let's climb over to this side and see if the car starts. Oh boy, hopefully it starts. Finally got some power. So 1, 2, and fire in the hole! Yes! Yes, it starts! Yes! That is it! We're buying this car. Man, I love it. That's it, guys. The car starts. Amazing. Everything is super clean inside. Just the front end damage. Red with black interior. Lots of carbon. Sounds good. Drives forward and back. Beautiful seats. Look at those carbon seats. So much carbon inside. The panels, center, steering wheel. All the vents are carbon. Wow, ceramic brakes. So car only has 3,000 miles, so practically brand new car. That's it, guys. We took care of all the paperwork. The car is going home with us. Yeah, super excited. I'm waiting for the shipping company to come by. They should be here within the next hour or two. So I'll wait for them here. I'm gonna help them load up the car, and they'll drive to California, and I'll fly and I'll meet them down there. They should take about a week or so. But yeah, clean title car, customer wrecked it with no insurance. I don't know the whole story, but bottom line, there was an expensive repair. He took it to the dealer, local dealer, and the dealer wrote him a crazy price. So he found us through YouTube and reached out to us, and I flew down here, checked it out in person. Really good guy, you know. So stuff like that happens, and if something happened to you like that and you wrecked your car with no insurance, please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to help you out and purchase the car from you guys. So that's the story on this baby. It's clean title, still under warranty, and I'm excited to rebuild it. So we'll wait for the truck, load it up, and that is it. That's it. Shipping truck is here. We're gonna start loading the Ferrari. And off to California you go. This should be fun. That's it. We got the car loaded up. See you in California, Ferrari. Man, talk about productive day. Finally, we loaded up the Ferrari. It took us a cool minute, let's just put it that way. So it's 9 o'clock, I'm driving back to Tampa. We got 2 more days here. We're leaving on Wednesday, today is Monday, so 2 more days. And we're going back to California. And the car should be arriving in California next week, maybe Monday or Saturday, he said. He's gonna do his best to make it on Saturday. If not, he should be there on Monday. So that's the plan. But super happy about the car. Everything seems to be okay. Engine runs great. Practically brand new car. Just the front end collision, but other than that, the car should be up and running hopefully very soon. So. Hello.
Hello, 125.
Here's 125.
Thank you.
Good to send? She said send it. said send it, so we did. Today is an exciting day. Ferrari arrived 6 days later. Let's take a closer look. Boom, there it is. Look at this beauty. Damn. Love it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun unloading it. But yeah, something like this.
How's it going?
Gonna give it a quick wash so it looks nice and clean, and we'll start working on it. We'll put it on the frame machine, secure it, and yeah, start working on the front.
Machine secured and ready to go. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 2. In part 2 we ordered all the parts and they should be arriving any day, and we'll start working on the front end. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week. New week, new video. Don't forget to like this video as well, and I'll catch you guys in part 2. До свидания!